Welcome back to KTN Prime. Let's continue informing you. Now, a political storm is brewing at the heart of government. What was once touted as a broad-based alliance is now showing visible cracks, threatening to derail the planned pre-election negotiations between the ruling UDA and ODM parties. The Orange Democratic Movement is now openly accusing its United Democratic Alliance counterparts of disrespect in a dispute that is quickly escalating into a high-stakes power struggle. Grace Ganga with the details.
A simmering fallout is now threatening to fracture the broad-based alliance after the ODM party launched a scathing attack on its UDA partners over what it calls persistent disrespect and political provocation.
The Central Committee noted with concern the goings-on and the unwarranted public utterances by some senior officials of the UDA party aimed at causing anxiety and disquiet among our members.
The ODM Central Management Committee has accused UDA of making reckless and targeted remarks that risk tearing apart the fragile working relationship between the two sides.
As a party that believes in its principles, ideology, and the foundation on which it was founded, we demand respect from the UDA party.
At the heart of the dispute is growing mistrust, bruised egos, and an escalating war of words that now threatens to spill into a full-blown political standoff.
Wale ambao wanatafuta viti, watafute viti, lakini wasitafute kiti ya rais na kiti ya naibu wa rais. Na kama kuna mashindano, tuko tayari kushindana na wao.
The latest issue being the proposed zoning for political parties.
If we are honest and strong about our partnership, we will respect each other and respect each other's strongholds.
And we are ready to die for zoning. I want to correct, the Secretary General of UDA spoke yesterday condemning our pursuit for zoning, and I want to tell him that zoning there's no negotiation when it comes to zoning.
The tension comes at a time when President William Ruto is seeking to calm the situation and maintain unity among allies.
Wale watu wako huko katikati wanajaribu kuleta friendly fire kwa mambo yetu ya UDA na ODM. Mimi nitawakomesha. Hatutaki siasa ya kupiganisha vyama vyetu. Tunaweza kushinda tukiwa pamoja.
Political observers now caution that unless urgent steps are taken, the cracks could widen, jeopardizing not just the alliance but the pre-election negotiations. Will the two parties weather the storm? Grace Nganga, KTN.